guys, welcome to another video. Thought I'd talk a little bit today about what engine braking is and what the benefits are, because it's always worth knowing how to use it really. Best thing to do is like anticipate traffic, and like now because they're going very slow I can do it quite a lot. I can just come off the throttle and just roll along. I'll lose a bit of speed at the same time, which is good, especially as you anticipate them stopping for lights, or as you're coming up for lights you let it slow down a certain amount, drop a gear, let it slow down some more. I will have to start braking then, but if you anticipate it early enough you won't even need to brake. Oops, missed a gear. So I'm concentrating. So I know these lights are red, so I'll come off the throttle, I'll start slowing down at a certain point. You'll drop a gear, that'll help you slow down even more. Drop another gear, that would happen again, but now I can accelerate away because the lights are green. So that's a good way to start slowing down and not really use your brakes, so you get that added benefit of not having to use your brakes. You get a lot less wear over time on your brakes as well, but you can brake at the same time as engine braking going down through the gears, and you'll slow down even quicker. So that's good in a emergency situation, or if you noticed a car slowing down a little too low. Good thing about engine braking is you can make it a bit of a game. I used to love doing it when I was driving, so that's the good thing about it as well. You can do it in the car just as much. Call it engine braking, call it coasting in gear, call it whatever you like. You can sort of play about with it and anticipate when you need to slow down by, so you start slowing down, go down the gears. I've done it a little bit late here, but that's fine. I've sort of started braking a little bit. I don't need to brake so much. If you time it right though, you don't have to brake till right last second. And the benefit of timing it till last second, or till the last few meters, is you're saving wear on your brakes. You're not going to save wear on your engine because your engine's going to be running no matter what you're doing, so it's fine to do. It's not going to hurt the engine at all. There are other benefits to it as well, which is for other vehicles, not for mine unfortunately, because my bike is carburetted, so it doesn't work in quite the same way, so it always has to be fed fuel to keep running and run right and all that sort of thing. But modern fuel injection engines, especially in cars, I'm sure it would be the same with bikes. When you're on the run-off, when you're engine braking, coasting in gear, they use very little, or even that they do say it actually uses no fuel. I don't see how it does. Maybe it does, maybe some sort of magic happens, but the engine still runs, so I don't see how it don't use even any fuel whatsoever. But apparently it doesn't use any fuel at all when you're coasting in gear, so that's another benefit as well. If you time it right and use your engine braking as much as possible whenever you're slowing down, over time you're saving yourself a lot of money. But this car has made me have to use my brakes a lot more than I would have liked to. But sometimes you have to. But sometimes you can't anticipate people's actions when they're going to suddenly slow down and indicate at the last second to turn off, which a lot of people do unfortunately. Anticipate, don't need to brake at all to slow down for the speed bump. The end of the road coming up, so I'll speed bump first anyway, so I'm going to slow down a little early just to get down to a decent speed, not to fly over that. But now I can start slowing down, go into second, slow down even more, into first, slow down even more. If I slow down too much, you can just give it a little bit blip of the throttle and keep going. See, then I could have just stood on the brake and stopped totally if I want to, but I could just roll to the end to check if anything's coming. And then go. See, then I could have got away with not using the brakes at all then if the van weren't coming, but because I saw the van, all I had to do was step on the brakes and stop still. So engine braking can be a little bit of fun, just entertain yourself on a long ride if you have to keep slowing down for junctions and lights and stuff. Have a little fun with it, see if you can anticipate the traffic and anticipate your distance to need to stop. See if you can stop before having to use your brakes until last second. Obviously you'll have to use them at last second, otherwise you'll just keep rolling along, and especially if you're on a hill you might roll back and stuff. So I haven't had to brake at all then, but can we stay up without putting the foot down? Touch and go. Yeah, just. So definitely benefits of using engine braking and participating in it and starting to use it early on. But also if you do need to stop in a hurry, engine brake can really help as well. But you have to keep going through the gears. What was that? You have to keep going through the gears a lot more then, because as you're braking and you go down the gears, the revs of the engine will be going down much quicker because you're braking as well anyway and losing speed. The engine's obviously always going to be trying to go down to idle speed. Don't think I can say too much more about it, so it's just a quick video talking about what engine braking is and the benefits of it and the fun you can have with it too. And it don't matter if you're on a 50cc scooter, you can still use engine braking to time you're slowing down and stuff like that, and together with the brakes if you need to use the brakes. So don't matter what vehicle you're in, car, bike or whatever, it's still beneficial. But like I say, it's more beneficial if you've got fuel injection, because you then use a lot less fuel, if any at all, while engine braking. But I'll leave the video there. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and all that good stuff. And if you haven't already, I haven't ever mentioned it, but let's mention it for the first time. Don't forget to click on that bell so you get notifications when I upload a video. And I'll see you again in the next one. Yeah, I'll have to skip ahead a bit then because I messed up what I was saying. See you again soon.
And my man compadre, black and white and ivory and black ebony. They can't step to me, weaponry is heavenly. They can't see us in the 313 vicinity. Hey yo, M, ha 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 ha. I come in like ha ha, I'm ill like nah nah. And y'all don't wanna see me cause I'm ill with the skill.